Hello, welcome to Bigyanology. I hope you have seen many videos which I have posted. So far 68 videos are there. Today I will try something new known as lemon battery. Before I do that, I will tell you what things will require. Basically I took an egg tray, got about 10 lemons, need some copper plate and zinc plate. Copper plate, copper pieces and zinc plates. Zinc plate you can take out easily from old battery. So if you take a old battery which is not of use, you can break and get. This is the zinc plate inside. And we can take this plate. This is zinc. And the copper, from the copper covering in the AC. So that copper covering you can smash it and make it plate and cut pieces. It's easily available in market. We got zinc plate and copper plate now, and we got some lemon battery. We need a cutter. We are cutting each lemon into 2 points. We are also making a hole in each one of it. We just nailed it and we made a hole in one copper plate and zinc plate. And we are attaching one zinc here, one copper here. Now when we put wire here, this will become a battery. Just to check. This is one wire from here. We are taking another color wire. So this act as a battery. Here this become ionized and this lemon as such act as a battery, because the citric acid which is inside the lemon, which is acidic in nature, which makes zinc dissolve into zinc ions and electron, and copper act as a positive electrode, zinc act as a negative electrode. So how much voltage is there comes, we can check. When we put in voltmeter, we see some volt. Maybe less than 0.5, 0.25 volt, but some volt we can get. So now we got this, that about 0.3 volt in each lemon. So what we do, we will do a series here. Like we will cut, just as we cut here, we will cut in all lemon. In all I put alternatively one copper, one zinc. But in this case, this was copper, this was zinc. So next will be copper. have reduced the length of this. Attached a copper here. Then next one I will attach a zinc. Which will again attach to the next lemon's copper. Remember, copper is here positive ion, gives positive charge, and zinc becomes zinc 2 plus and goes in the solution. So outside the solution it gives the electron, so become negatively charged. So positive negative, again copper, positive, again zinc, it should be negative. Now let's try the LED. Look here, the lemon battery here, it's connected with 10 lemon, and now LED which lit in 3 volt, getting the voltage sufficiently. Now why this happens? This basically is that copper act as a positive electrode and zinc becomes zinc 2 plus and goes in the solution, whereas electron comes here and becomes the electrolyte or act as a battery. So now we will see similar thing in some other substance. Let's see this happens in tomato or not. So I am putting one copper here, copper plate with a long strand of wire, and then zinc, copper. This time we got 8 tomatoes connected. Let's see whether it has some effect in LED or not. Yes, in fact it's doing better. 8 tomatoes, this is working much better than lemon. So here also zinc acts as negative electrode and copper as positive electrode. I am cutting potato in 2 half. So here is connected copper zinc, 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 copper zinc. So copper acts as positive electrode and zinc as negative. Yes, it also works. So you can see here in potato also light is on. Here we have 5 Mossambi. Let's try out this also. Here in case of Mosambi, that is sweet lime, we found that in 5 Mosambi, 5 sweet lime, light is very low, maybe voltage is very low, so I added 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them, and I found light is quite good. So whether lemon, small lemon or big Mosambi, more or less they give same voltage, about 0.3 volt. So we need to have about 10 of them. So you have seen that any vegetables, whether lemon, whether sweet lime or potato, everything gives about 0.3 volt charge. So if we arrange them in 10 of them in a series, just as I have shown you like a battery, then it will have sufficient charge to light an LED. So try this, have a good fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure you will see the next video. Please see the previous videos also, it will help you a lot. Remember here to subscribe and give comment if you can do it. Even if you cannot do, please write to me so that I can respond and help you. Thanks a lot for viewing.